Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode I'm gonna show you how to convert the numbers to words, otherwise known as text, in Excel. In order to do that I have created a table with a price and I'm gonna convert those prices to plain text. So let's start. What we have to do, first of all, we have to insert a Visual Basic code. Simply by how? Going to Google and simply searching from the bar numbers to words in Excel, searching this, and as the first result we have Microsoft support, and we're gonna copy this code from this trusted site. It's Microsoft, obviously it's the original site, and from the top we have to copy this code. I'm copying all the way down, copying it until here, function end, copy, and coming once again back to Excel, opening this, and now we have to open the Visual Basic section. How to do that? First of all, you can do it by from the top menu. From here you can say developer. If you don't have this tab, you can come here and customize ribbon. You can select this, and from here you can select all tabs, and as you can see here you have the developer section. If it's not clicked, you can click it and you can say OK, and you will see this developer section. You can press Visual Basic right here, or from your keyboard you can simply press Alt and F11 to open this tab. I'm gonna open it from this Visual Basic button and open it, and from the upper menu we are going to insert, and we're gonna insert the module. And from here we are pasting the code that we have copied from Microsoft site, but we have to correct this code because we have a slight errors here. As you can see, we have this red error. First of all, I'm gonna connect this red slight error by simply deleting the underscore mark, and from here I'm going to second error. Simply we have a space in between. We are deleting this and we are okay to go. We have to exit this Visual Basic environment by simply typing Alt and Q from our keyboard, and we are okay. But what is the function in order to run this code? We're coming once again to this site, and the function name is spell number. Okay. I'm coming to C5, I'm coming to formula section, and by simply saying equal spell number, tab, and from here we're gonna select the B5 cell, closing parentheses, pressing enter, and as you can see, voila, $10 and no cents. Yes, it's right. And from here I'm gonna copy this code to below cells by coming to the cell and dragging all the way down to other cells. Okay, we have a slight going out of this table. Okay, I fixed it. As voila, you can see we have copied successfully every single number to text. Let's see if it's correct. We have $8.45, $8.45, yes, $978.65, yeah, it's okay. So that was so simple. I hope you like this video. I will leave the link of this code of this website, Microsoft website, at the description, and you can copy it and you can go there and copy the code. So, closing this video, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for your passion. I hope we learn very nice things. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye-bye. And I love you all. I'm signing out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I love you.